Welcome to our video. Today we are sharing the best makeup products for fall looks. From warm tones to bold accents, we've got everything you need to elevate your autumn style. Don't forget to check the description box for product links. Stay tuned for a secret tip. Let's dive in. At number 5 is the L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Makeup Lash Paradise Mascara. The L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Makeup Lash Paradise Mascara is a beloved classic that has stood the test of time. As a trusted drugstore brand, L'Oréal has delivered a volumizing mascara formula that provides dramatic, eye-catching lashes. Volume-building formula. The key selling point of this mascara is its volume-building capabilities. The rich, creamy formula coats each lash from root to tip, plumping them up for a bold, voluminous look. The formula builds easily without clumping or flaking for lush, fanned-out lashes. Classic Carbon Black Shade. This mascara comes in a classic carbon black shade that creates a striking, eye-opening effect. The deep black pigment provides intense color payoff and definition to make your eyes pop. Trusted brand popularity. As a long-standing drugstore staple, the Lash Paradise Mascara has amassed a loyal following. Customers love the reliable performance and affordable price point of this L'Oréal favorite. It's a classic mascara that delivers reliable volume and drama. Why it's great. For budget-friendly, volumized lashes, the L'Oréal Paris Voluminous Makeup Lash Paradise Mascara is a proven winner. Its volume-building formula, classic black shade, and trusted brand status make it a mascara that belongs in every makeup lover's collection. At number 4 is the Laura Geller New York The Ultimate Palette Hidden Gems. The Laura Geller New York The Ultimate Palette Hidden Gems is a comprehensive eyeshadow palette that offers a diverse range of shades and finishes to elevate your makeup looks. As part of the brand's Hidden Gems collection, this palette packs 31 baked eyeshadows that deliver exceptional quality and versatility. 31 baked eyeshadow shades. This expansive palette houses an impressive 31 baked eyeshadow shades, spanning a wide spectrum of colors. From warm-toned neutrals to cool-toned, jewel-toned hues, the shade range provides endless opportunities to create a variety of eye makeup looks, from subtle and natural to bold and dramatic. Matte and shimmer finishes. The eyeshadows in this palette come in both matte and shimmery finishes, allowing you to build dimension and depth in your eye looks. The matte shades provide a soft, velvety base, while the shimmery shades add a touch of radiance and dimension to the lids. Crease-proof formula. The baked formula of these eyeshadows ensures long-lasting wear and intense pigmentation. The shadows blend seamlessly and maintain their vibrancy throughout the day without creasing or fading, making them ideal for both everyday wear and special occasions. Why it's great. The Laura Geller New York The Ultimate Palette Hidden Gems is a must-have for makeup enthusiasts who love versatile and high-quality eyeshadow palettes. With its expansive shade range, diverse finishes, and crease-proof formula, this palette provides endless possibilities for creating stunning eye makeup looks that will last all day. At number 3 at our list is the Maybelline's Lash Sensational Sky High Washable Mascara. Achieving the perfect lash look can be a challenge, but Maybelline's Lash Sensational Sky High Washable Mascara aims to make it easy. This volumizing, lengthening, and defining formula delivers buildable coverage for a variety of lash styles, from natural to dramatic. The volumizing, lengthening formula. The Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara features a unique formula that combines volumizing, lengthening, and defining properties. The result is lashes that appear fuller, longer, and more lifted. The formula is also buildable, allowing you to customize your look from natural to bold with just a few extra coats. Buildable coverage for versatility. One of the standout features of this mascara is its buildable coverage. Whether you're going for a natural, everyday look or a more dramatic, fanned-out fringe, the Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara has you covered. Start with 1 coat for a subtle boost, then build up to 2 or 3 coats for maximum volume and length. Easy removal with washable formula. Removing mascara at the end of the day can be a chore, but the Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara makes it a breeze. Its washable formula washes off easily with just water and mild soap, leaving no stubborn residue behind. Why it's great. This mascara is ideal for creating the fanned-out fringe trend that was popular on fall runways. Its buildable formula allows you to customize your lash look to suit any makeup style, from natural to bold. And the easy removal makes it a convenient choice for busy mornings and late nights. At number 2 is the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream. Achieving a flawless, radiant complexion can be a challenge, but the IT Cosmetics Your Skin But Better CC Plus Cream aims to make it easy. This multitasking product combines the coverage of a foundation, the protection of an SPF 50+ sunscreen, and the hydrating benefits of a serum, all in one convenient formula. Full Coverage Foundation. The CC Plus Cream provides full, buildable coverage that helps to even out skin tone and minimize the appearance of imperfections. The formula is lightweight and blendable, allowing you to customize the level of coverage to your liking. SPF 50+ sun protection. In addition to its coverage benefits, the CC Plus Cream also provides broad-spectrum SPF 50+ sun protection. This helps to shield your skin from the damaging effects of UV rays, which can lead to premature aging and discoloration. Hydrating serum included. Infused with hydrating ingredients like collagen, peptides, and hyaluronic acid, the CC Plus Cream also acts as a nourishing serum. This helps to keep your skin looking and feeling healthy, even as you wear it throughout the day. Why it's great. This multitasking product is ideal for achieving a flawless base for your fall makeup looks. The full coverage formula provides a smooth, even canvas, while the built-in sun protection and skincare benefits help to keep your skin healthy and radiant. At number 1 is the Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey. The Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey is a cult favorite product that has stood the test of time. This tinted lip balm formula delivers a universally flattering shade with a moisturizing, sheer coverage that's perfect for the berry girl lip trend of fall 2024. Tinted lip balm formula. Unlike traditional lipsticks, the Almost Lipstick in Black Honey has a lightweight, balm-like texture that glides on smoothly and feels comfortable on the lips. The formula is infused with nourishing ingredients like vitamin E to keep your lips soft and hydrated. Universally flattering shade. The Black Honey shade of this lipstick is a unique, universally flattering hue that works well on a wide range of skin tones. It's a deep, berry toned shade that adds a touch of color and warmth to the lips without being too bold or overpowering. Moisturizing and sheer coverage. The sheer, buildable coverage of the Almost Lipstick allows you to customize your lip look, going from a subtle tint to a more pronounced berry stain. The moisturizing formula keeps your lips feeling soft and comfortable, even as you build up the color. Why it's great. This cult favorite lipstick is perfect for the berry girl lip trend that's been popular for fall 2024. Its sheer, buildable formula allows you to create both subtle and bold lip looks, making it a versatile choice for various autumn makeup styles. Our recommendation. The Clinique Almost Lipstick in Black Honey as our best value option, and the Maybelline's Lash Sensational Sky High Washable Mascara as the budget-friendly alternative. Fall is the perfect time to switch up your makeup routine and experiment with richer shades and textures. Focus on warm tones and glowing finishes to embrace the season's cozy vibe. With a few key tweaks, you can easily elevate your look for autumn.